Welcome back to Percepta's series on Microsoft Project Desktop app. In this video, we'll be learning about linking tasks in Microsoft Project and why it's an important part of keeping your project organized and running smoothly. So, what does linking tasks actually do? When you link tasks, you create a dependency between them. That means the start or finish date of one task, called the successor, will automatically update if the linked task, the predecessor, shifts. This keeps your project timeline logical and ensures that tasks flow in the correct order. Let's look at a quick example. Imagine you're preparing a presentation. You have two tasks. Write the slides. Practice the presentation. You can't practice until the slides are written. So you want task 2 to start after task 1 finishes. That's where linking comes in. Now, let's walk through how to do this in Microsoft Project. In your project file, go to the column to the right of Finish, click the column header, and type Predecessor. Then press Enter. Now, look for Training Task 2 in your task list. In the Predecessors column, click the drop-down option and select Training Task 1. And that's it. Training Task 1 is now linked to Training Task 2. If the dates for Training Task 1 change, Training Task 2 will automatically adjust to maintain that dependency. Linking tasks helps your project stay dynamic, logical, and easier to manage as things shift. Thank you for watching our video on linking tasks in Microsoft Project. See you next time!